This video provides a step-by-step overview of the plastic fusion welding process using Polyvance's Nitro-Fuzer Touch nitrogen plastic welder. Step 1. Determine the type of plastic being repaired. Look for an identification symbol stamped or molded into the part. Select a welding rod that matches the substrate material. Step 2. Clean the surface. Thoroughly clean the plastic using a dedicated plastic cleaner to remove surface contaminants. Proper cleaning is essential to ensure weld integrity. Step 3. Prepare the weld area. Grind a V-groove along the crack or damaged section. Match the groove width to the width of the selected welding rod. Step 4. Set the temperature and flow. Select the plastic type from the welder's menu. Temperature and airflow are set automatically based on the selected material. Step 5. Begin the welding process. Start by heating the end of the welding rod and the surface of the substrate until both begin to melt. Hold the welding rod at approximately a 90-degree angle to the surface and touch it to the substrate. Position the welder at a 35 to 45-degree angle, keeping the tip close to the weld zone. Step 6. Perform the weld. Apply consistent light downward pressure to the rod. Do not force it. Both the rod and the substrate should melt simultaneously. Maintain a steady welding speed of 6 inches per minute or slower, allowing the rod to collapse naturally into the groove as it melts. Step 7. Finish the weld. Continue welding until the end of the groove is reached. To detach the rod, shift the heat slightly toward it while tilting it backward. After a few seconds, lift the rod carefully to separate it from the weld. This completes the basic plastic fusion welding procedure.